Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here and run through the trade with you on this 28th day of January 2026. Great to be with you again. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. This is a trade taken in the room today by myself and others in the room. And this is how it all went down. We had a big FOMC today, which usually drives the market pretty good. You can see by PVI, we're looking for candles in the 160 to the 180 tick range. So it did bounce around, but there's no interest rate hikes today, so it was kind of a mixed bag here. But finally, we get ourselves a really strong candle, as noted by our strong candle indicator down below this. So the green triangle saying take this trade long towards the top of the screen. So we just need this to push down to the R1. We'll do a nice little push, retrace, reject off the brick wall, and then we'll take it up. Now, we've already noted the PVI is really high. So we're going to use one of our larger ATMs, which is we're going to de-risk the trade at 20s. Then we're going for 50s and 100s on the way out. So here's how it all went down in the room today. Got to push down to the R1 first before we can get it going. Just be patient. It has paid small targets, but there we go. That's what we're looking for. All right, stop's got to go where it belongs, down the last major failure point. We'll de-risk the trade at 20s. Now that we're into the trade, we'll go ahead and speed it up a little bit. So here we go. It was pretty fast already. There's first targets are out. Second targets are out. So if 20s, 50s, and 100s what we're going for. And 20s and 50s are already out. Now we could bring that 100 tick target. It's already out. So boom, but just that quick. Once it got a move on, it was pretty quick. That trade took less than 3 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 3 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. The only place you're going to find a strong candle indicator, and it is a major help in learning how to trade. So great. Look forward to doing it again tomorrow. Look forward to seeing you then. So God bless you. See you next time.